Hello, 101.5 FM.
Ayikopoku Junior Ayakrado Oko Egypt. Yeah, the $6 million budgeted expenditure, and they cost spending $4.5 million. Now, a bit of question will be business and could do final and anka the Akane Kofane Wahe. A bit of think the Scabasia would play Massa could to coin. Well, the questions are coming. Yawajima Mishas and Fenfrio.
Commander, budget with you, and said them na Midika Kayano. You will be a honorable Isaac Kwame Siama. Yena Ejumana Obo, Namanichi Muyipa, Ifibra Obeye, Minister of Youth and Sports, or her infrastructure, Odwa, or the Egua Kuma, Yena Bonabaso. Until Sa Afconia, your call Nanuya, Commander, your quarter to Papa Sui. Na enwa budgeta uridi ye ana wode call eco marashe bejofi no ABC sabri madwen ho amentiase and masa dia okakra e de ama oman Ghana because of sub budgeta sebi predia se koya no nwuran ediku honom e de kire Ghana for
budget ndie na e nwuran about the budget dia nye clear about the budget
commander o share
because where you itemize budget me so a state airfare visa fee itemize
Gona say ubun konta akire Ghana for a enema bi wo hono ma wo so bie so
enema bi said there
emma Ghana for hu say e be a figure way
your top petrol is smiling no their shit
commander na me your calculation be about sika yes etua edema players na as winning bonus
and then what are the accountant
as winning bonus
management and the oyanya bonus
commander say wo share sa figure na $905,000 and you use here for players in the winning bonus
and here itemized
say calculating your maybe a woman you see a 2-year qualification bonus you call you know only a match and you're winning here qualification bonus in your 2-year rumor a buyer and they say $30,000 in your 2-year commander say offer $90,000 now divided by 23 years. A bema of $41,000 enti
each.
Yes, it one country say Oman tua 30,000 name omu tua a little over 30,000 and I say 41,000 and every player. Commander na make us asem we ya na me bisa say Black Stars seven players enipa ba ko eja pade ene ye de adwuma na ase nipa ba ko sa ana wo de adwuma na se obi nsa say onye adwuma one toto niema the Black Stars of Ghana ne nipa no eba no obebu nkonta we e kire wa commander wo beji atuma na sa onye ntum
well
say Black Stars nipa ba ko anase ye dia se nipa ba ko say private entity
Mateo question as Black Stars no nipa 30 million there enti what shall say obisa questions maybe others will also start asking questions enti no it's early morning yet. Yeah,
but calculation now can also be near
the issue of paying winning bonus to the Black Stars players and
almost each player is
we understand say every player you know $30,000 as qualification bonus
and almost the team who answer who dia who
say na omutua say we for the benefit of your listeners we now we are close to the team.
No, it's for them to come out so mutua 30,000 or 35,000
maybe say we now we are close to
Oman can't say the omutua but which can't say
their refusal to tell us ebema kwam amount for speculate.
Oh yes, I know it's there
us because at the end of the day taxpayers money no
yeah I know it's there but I say 30,000 I mean because or state you all I know the question for maybe Nanka Parliament
early days yet. I don't know if we can get Yewura Wayomi and say any person on the sports committee Nkebeboa na ye bisa by the Umfrobi or sports committee of Ghana's parliament. Let's get somebody.
So all the 30,000 no correct calculation there. Ebi ana nkondu di omu coin but one kasa ebi aye 30,000 there. Oh, that makes so
no, but if they don't tell us, we have every right to calculate, say.
Yes.
Say ni they should tell us. And we be there mo catch eh.
American. Commander, Adi proud to say you be call tournament. Ghana for sua say mon fa budget yi enche, mon ka budget yi mu sem enche.
Batu.
Fine.
Batu. In recent times, Yako Nations Kapama.
Yeah,
Sports Minister na at the budget abada. This Yako boy.
I'm telling you.
Commander, fine. Yako baby. So open contract
is the best practice.
Over 30 million people at your nation no. And young conta way na also be butcher or minor.
Okay, yeah, me ask my to us about well, as the morning wears on, more questions will come and of course more answers will come. Into more Mubeko Basoni Yakuba. Is he part of the registered
yeah, he's part.
He's part.
Yeah, Kotokopia will confirm say he's part. And they are expecting him to
be a because assembly and Wamami in Kritia Assembly. And Raman for be the disturbing Nadia Bay, Yakuba and
anyway. 26 months squad on the CAF Siciano, Yakuba Dium.
But the fact of the matter is say Yakuba Enten wants to say, on your bigger than Asante
Yakuba on Cambia. Yakuba Yakuba
Nkari Africa Gambia
so you bigger than Kotopa. Oh, contract. Nyaboche. I don't know price why Nyaboche.
So contract. And it's also contract say obey
complaining about Yakuba.
Bet me sorry. After the bag is call Burkina Brown can to company for.
Come on, no boy, Burkina Faso. Champions League in the CAF Confederations Cup. One name Yakuba. It's one platform for Hanoma. Maybe
Hello FM 101.5.
Second point, why he heated for nothing? Because one, Kotokono on your more contract, or can range so why
because
you be say no Okunye yeni nyina ka no my nti no
ya wo de okwa wunya excuse
asem your mama sem me wunya masem nya sem we kwa de problem
Kotoko for emphasis statement dia by say
we kwa de problem say ne conduct na your far is your view no is subjected to your own feelings but we are talking about stats and statistics facts and statistics maybe some question say is Yakuba part of Kotoko team to Africa? I said, "Bonus will be for nine." Somebody should tell Yakuba. It's not bigger than Kotoko.
Hello, sports.
No, so about do that. Well, Boko, says, "Walk at your fire." Soja, right? That was here. Why?
But Starboy. Me de besaka wa no pa Nyankopɔ di mu nti ho ato awia baba dwuma wate.
Amen.
Yeah, just the first response and any more kokoko so Samuel Joaquin Bukim wono and ejowa no pay ye dey agudi ho nsam ye dey abroad den na adwuma kopi and ati ye dey amalone and ye fisam they say the honorable Isaac Kwame Yesiam adwuma wura aja no already budget our parliament ama akakoye isempi me akasa me dey tender and then now
say sports minister am ndi hufro
say adwuma they say the balance na okokura
okay
and yada minister his excellency appointing and the adwuma
sports minister or SF fertilizer no Odu go blaster so na akatie sisu na ahye
adwuma no de e tum say right from day one His Excellency Eddie Jumane Emma. But Sir Afcon we there we disappointed me big time.
Mini obi mensa.
We disappointed me big time.
Mini obi efe obi mensa. We say ken kwa. Why? Did you just the ekwe ni why? Ken kwa. No so hope to ya kai. So no so about my edunum. Ya just dey dey good yourself. Ya di amount there. Wisconsin International University College and efre and anope make am form so e dem mo e Kumasi Atonsu Lake Road. Fe ya se anabohu school ya. Degree programs awodo nyina ne titu ene nurse ne bachelor of law ni nya no omu eye bi o ha obetima akakoto awu school no enso oho bi-weekly consumer safety tape no so no ye ka kire wo se o sene na o yisu no fie no emfa nkohye dade kibikiu mu emfa nkohye ye ntabo kibikiu mu enso ma aframa fa ho Odi ebobo na de na makwandem na fa hyem kama na mframa efa ho a ebetimi abo enkofa oyene eno atorenkyem bia enso emba Virgin Port Cosmetic Limited omo esusu ye kamfo mu alata samena ne eye anti rash soap sanso na moringa soap hair foods no omo ediaba eboa mamayoa mo wedie enum tiri no aye kama no ye kamfo amamo ene anopai Prostafit capsules sanso na dudo herbal mixture was bubobi and afi Solac mixture no aso twan and afi panyan wo betende ne eno aye zipman capsules no ayendra Dr. Solomon ediaba no se beka ho sam ediachro of course self safe and so jaso we ya tashido over one kasa so chuka we toto over fa ho ko self safe nimbi na obetuma save o sika sanse ufuo no enya de ekowe intentem sanso so ana miski choko wasi twa no hot dead down nti wonyi bia gin hot ne jede boko ne twa no hot eno every promotional Ghana Limited sanso na Makion group of companies Makion so ye ana ye kamfo ediamam Makion Hotel, Makion Restaurant and Catering Service. We any adwumako ometachi and opa ye de agudi wonsam ye de bro na ye beto so na ye akwan de ye ma ona nsam ne tawu. Enra Liverpool and Sporting Lisbon boy na Bruno Fernandes ono ye captain de Sporting Lisbon enra agudi odi ye ne be he na nya agudi keto akra na say the Manchester United omo players omo airport no mo si di agro no omo player no omo players omo pomunya no obi abo match wi a na ne bo no kosoro enra Bruno Fernandes omo president say no ball boy no ne bo na free 70 ko 80 say say na ni nya so no kwa ye de ema atiefo ene anope Tottenham Hotspur so say Paulo Dybala my crado so omo so ebetua 80 million pounds akohe say Juventus ebeja player no enso edi amomo ananse onja emfa emomo na Real Madrid any Arsenal boy Gareth Bale ebe share go eno ana Gareth Bale say Zinedine Zidane why no kakra but oyenipa nji onka hwe eno any ensema Gareth Bale enso ede atu eja yeto so na ya koyenim no Liverpool coach Jurgen Klopp eno I say a big money signing say open Philippe Coutinho this omutua over 100 million pounds no say eno de omunyala nkomo pe na so sika 70 no omumbe woso no makomanim sa eno so eno no Leroy Sani esusu akan na de Manchester City Bayern Munich ewura mu so mu epere dindinde se se de onso ne bo no ekosoro 90 million pounds Leroy Sani ken yaw Leroy Sani 90 million pounds se se mu si top players na mana ihu Leroy Sani de 90 million pounds de ba yento so na
Bayern Munich for na okay
yan trust na Edis Arsenal mo de 45 ni player kokura ye bomu tu
me aso kwadi
Everton so say player Arsenal for this kako ya Arsenal for Gallery no omo angasa so ebe ko mo 55 million pounds Arsenal this kokura go for mu a mo so 55 million pounds enti Everton for reference say so mo to ma drum nyas eni ade be ye South Sudan Mauricio Sarri Hogino so edisem kaka tudwa Hogino Sarri eko Juventus so ko open no na Hogino say Frank Lampard aba ebi Lampard na mafoforo ba Frank Lampard zuba e also man free roll nteno babu an ntini ade woko ba bia na okakra no ko ka se amafo ase na afo ni coach no o se yera na afo ni Mauricio Sarri oni na ye adwuma keke na coach ni kasa no tie agbeto menyo edipa no eno so ni ensemo Mauricio Sarri ni Hogino eno so asi wo mo entem coach your friend Steve Bruce se so na ko fa Everton no mo so chese Mark Ashley enzo amaniska ama no so e de sign players den enzo ho eno de epimonatana clan enzo akakopra report about just say after so coach scan no 9 months where the afiba akono no enya de ono so ebetimi esi akan enso ede ama Liverpool eno enso ne de epiemu wo ho Arsenal so HS Sabalos said na Mexico no yatintam ombenyan loan no abebo mo Ole Gunnar Solskjaer enso chese se eba se wanya player biem kura wope eno so ne de epiemu wo ho Barcelona enso so HS player bi IFN Fipo here ono defender ma Real Betis yes United Liverpool epe omo so chese omo so enya omo epe ye omo enso eni di akire omo epe na didindin Paris Saint-Germain Idrissa Gana Gueye ye ono esi akan edema Everton omo enso HS omo timi player na reach agreement 28 million pounds se ono so eka kosi akan ama Paris Saint-Germain no ya de batu jasa David Trezeguet we Egyptian Trezeguet ono si akan edema Kasimpasa na reporter everybody just say 9 million pounds ana Aston Villa tia ya omudi ama Kasimpasa for ya Trezeguet uko Egypt omuka na Trezeguet ono so ba si akan so edema mo Romelu Lukaku still na Mexico United match on ebesa bolo reporter everybody just say ombo biem eno ya de batu ja say Aston Villa so say omo so spend this capa so omo so qualify by Premier League no omo so omo eso person omo ebo no omo ekomoni to no HS Chelsea former coach here is so coach Juventus or say or kind of cre waka je obia George no de anya de obi jai de obeko so hu musie na England no mama no kwa ma na hu dia Italy de akonya ho
found you
jubo ho de obo eno se ne sama Mauricio Sarri
me sure say no crack can be the manager
na se me na okay de bia say yeso
e musie ni de bia de obo kusie wo hwenim
so no yesi o artificial one do ko asala wo say na ekrekra but we say the England e mpere man go hu foso what be that we say Google foso sa Wisconsin University College and pay yeah can form so here na e dia ba programs are no mo LLB eno ya Bachelor of Law mfie na ye twam anomo edibai sanso na BS nurse na no so san mfie na ye twam na edibai omo other programs diploma and certificate courses p ho ya wetu maka koye ho na entry requirement no enie ukura wasi and SSC ya obanya akonya ewo bia na ukura diploma na obeso ye top up HND obeso ye top up other certificate obeso ye top up udo ni che Wisconsin International University obetimi aka koye no kama ho ye wo access course ero ho eno eye BSc administration eno no na o twisi apese Chris o pass pe na ye do call level 200 na wato aso asua de sanso so ana special placement edema degree holders omo ewo LLB ni na nso no entrance exams na otwe enu pe o ya na nso nya konya no room na okokoto school no so share no so say open school from Monday to Friday eno regular no obenya weekend so no if you ada kopen course ya da obenya open enwuma na mo dwuma so ntia eno so no obenya na okokoto school so ho na facilities no so no ye woni dewa ya no rooms no dewa ya obenya bi no wadam no the room kwa no bus cross wa ebe before at the Abba school enti umpewe na pere make for Wisconsin International University at the amount omo ewo ayefe yase Atonsu Lake Road anabehu Wisconsin University with from 0557 310625 0557 310625 and that's 03223 92584 Wisconsin and also leaders in international education. Samson a shelf fuel safe and so you can farm or another pay. Service car. Now bet my service car. This is fuel and no blocks and no oil. Okay, checking in na shell asoye. Oko shell asoya. O metimi aboa na wa service car. And na dia be say SKP. Enti na if any shelf fuel safe. Enti fa wo jimbi na also a service car.
NPF also eguso ebon kaye se o cylinder ai wo fie no abribia no memfa nhyen kantankantan me bia kromfo nti usro se bia kromfo baba befa enu ti obon kantankantan na wo de ahyem me ba cho NPF ebo kokose sa suba no jai ni nyina ene se wanhwe ye na ekoba se eja bi eto onoma ni ye ne be den enu ti ene wo srew na no pei se san kantankantan abribia na ye de cylinder ewe fie ehye no ehyemu no ye ntwe ho emfiri ho se na be ya empo ekoba se atowenchem bi esi a yebetumi ayi ho afiri mu tentem so na aboan amaye so ya sistremu eofie no atumi awie payo NPA4 ene de sankai boy emaye tie4 by weekly consumer safety tipper omode emaye na anopay ene no also mo complain bia na wobetumi afre 0545 006112 0545 006112 and 0545 006111 na only NPA4 so edi enkomo na complain bia wo bia no watumi ede ama wo mo se ne be a wo so bebua na wo so atumi akyerekye wo niema e wo sa wo ye se ne be a ho bombo enso ebetumi edi mu ewe afie mu me ba to Promasidol Ghana Limited nso at the Mexi Choco Abidjasua and also anano pay breakfast a wofa no na wafa bi esan se ebeboa amo ahodi mu the morning na wo de abo adwuma Ghana ekoko papa pay esikyire na afi so milk ehyem a kyese nyasem keto akra wuti bi ebeboa papa ama wo so ahode na asipi asita nkwada ne ko school a na watwa bi amo mo fo bi ebi ehye bag mu wo mokwa a wo so atumi anom na bibia atumi akoyie de ohia eye nsuo hye na wo de agum unuma eno ano no wa ena wokɔ no nyafe na akoto asikyire bia asan abeka ho bio Promasidol Ghana Limited ene de Mexi Choco Abidjaso o si twan hot dedew twan hot eno ene anopay adwuma komta ye chi a yatena se agudie mu nsɛm no ye de eba tentem so ye be share fisem na se 101.5 FM so undoubtedly Ashanti's #1 radio station ni a said eniema esi etie ora Isaac Kwame Esiama ene aduru no so enu ase de di kan ede tu dwa na okom no Ghana mrahye bejafie ede Ghana budget won nsɛm a ede call AFCON no ekotu dwa na enum no ene ora Isaac Kwame Esiama ede etu dwa odwumadi na ase anase wo present at parliament no ene wo chese Ghana your passion ema football pa etu obesere o man nyina se yemfe ho enhye football mu se ne be beboa ama football so etumi apagya o man Ghana mu ora Isaac Kwame Esiama.
The Speaker, Ghana entered the competition in a very high spirit, determined to break the 37-year-old trophy drought. Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, the Black Stars exited in the 160 stage of the tournament, and I feel obliged as the minister to make a statement in this August House. Mr. Speaker, to say that Ghanaians love football and is a passion of the nation is indeed an understatement. Many Ghanaians live football, eat football, and sleep football. Over the years, nothing has united Ghana and, of course, enhance our image internationally among the Committee of Nations more than the game football. This fact has indeed encouraged successive governments since Ghana attained independence to give special attention to football. First, to harness its potential to unite the people of Ghana, and secondly, to project the image of the country abroad.
Ora Isaac Kwame Esiama and I say all Kasa or Ghana Mrashebedafie Enra and I watch say Ghana. Amanfo bi edi football omunum football a passion for the nation amanfo nyina kuma edi akire etu obesere se oman no yem yakuma eni mpokra bibia enhwe football so se na be betumi apagya ye football no asi wona ayeye eno ensema Ora Isaac Kwame Esiama ede tudwa e Ghana Mrashe Bedafie enu achi no ene wosa de tato se ono ene na ban His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo wono wo nyina akoma so ade ne se wo mbepagya ye football no atumi asiwo ne senti wa bra wo ekono wo ye ne ebetumi bia ama Ghana yatumi akwaje kuruwa no aba nanso ye koye no odaye enema ankoyi.
Since the president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, hosted them at the Jubilee House, he assured them of the total support of the government of Ghana for the team. So, Speaker, the captain of the team, Andrew Dede Ayew, assured the president the whole nation of their determination to unearth the trophy to end the 37 years of trophy hunger. The head coach and captain of the team have introduced several that they've had the best of occasions ever in recent times as national players. Indeed, all their demands were met and honors lie on the team to deliver.
Eno Ghana ye youth sports minister Ora Isaac Kwame Esiama ena ote se ocheche ni nsemu ewo Ghana Mrashebedafie o kire se wa bra mo eko tournament na se Ghana ye eko tournament ne ya wia ta so kwan bia so no ye beko akwaji kuru ano aba ne senti His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo adwumawura wone ne mpanyufo toto niema ebrezi support bia e de ma the Black Stars of Ghana senka won beko na nkoma akobo homoden na trophy no mo de aba ne nso mo koye odaye enema ankoyie eno ensemo no ede tudwa wo se ahosiesia no mo ye eni mpokra no support no person mo support the Black Stars of Ghana emia jikru for the first time in about 37 years no ne senti omo pagya supporters p every Ghana ha ekopiem e osa tournament na se anya supporters enko ensentofo bi so etumi ekobi na eno sei eno de etudwa efa ho.
So, Speaker, as part of the measures to boost the morale of the team, the ministry sponsored Kenyan supporters to Egypt to support them. The supporters were in Ismailia, in Egypt, where the Black Stars were based. CAF and FIFA organized excursions for the supporters of the participating nations, including Ghana. Mr. Speaker, despite all the support for the Black Stars, the team performed below expectations. The ministry has called for a comprehensive report from the Normalization Committee, after which a study and determination of what went wrong will be made, recommendations made for the way forward for Ghana football in particular and sports in general. It is the kind of opinion of the ministry that after the study of the various reports, the issue of the reorganization of football in Ghana will be addressed comprehensively.
Eno Ora Isaac Esiama ena ote se okasa no na enu achi no eno o kire se Gie ko tournament na mu no sika ye de ekoye no 6.3 million dollars enu ni sika ye de koye na mo ewie mu no ye spend 4.5 million US dollars.
So, Speaker, a budget of $6,365,033.84 was approved for the tournament, comprising training tour, main tournament, and related activities. Now, the actual expenditure, Mr. Speaker, emphasis actual expenditure, Mr. Speaker, an amount of $4,564,352 was expended from the training tour to the time Ghana exited from the main tournament. This expenditure covered the following, Mr. Speaker: the playing body, technical team, members of parliament, from the Central Committee of Youth, Sports and Culture. My good friend, Honorable Kobiwere, was there in Egypt to support the team. Honorable Kobiwere, the ranking member on the first sports, but my chairman was also there. Representatives of the Ghana Football Association, representatives of Old Football Association, some staff of Ghana Football Association, some staff of the Ministry of Youth and Sports, members of Ghana Supporters Union, and journalists. They were all there.
Ora Isaac Kwame Esiama ena ote se ochre se ye call tournament ye de $6.3 million and a koye na ye koye ye do run of 16 and so ye say $4.5 million and a ochre se and central phobi ekobi sa and so and a Ghana ye supporters union ahodo wo so etumi ekobi wo de no to nchen so a Ghana mrase bedafie eku a wo mo ehwe agokan siensem so wo so mpanyefo etumi ekobi a owura kobi woyomi no no so eka ho a mo nyina ekosa tournament ase eko support the Black Stars of Ghana nanso ekodegui a ye etumi anko enim nanu achi no and what the details of the budget eto emrase bedafo enim.
Mr. Speaker, now the breakdown. IFL, $924,168 per diem for players, $187,050 per diem for technical staff, $129,600 per diem for additional technical staff, $90,750. Winning bonus for players, $95,405. Winning bonus for technical team, $347,207. Winning bonus for additional technical team, $177,000, that's $177,000. Accommodation, and here includes pre-tournament camping, and of course camping facilities. Also for the playing body, and of course the main tournament itself for members of the GFAs, some who were there, old players who were there, some of them Ghana Supporters Union, ministry officials, journalists, and of course members of parliament. And that amount is $1,103,509. Of course, allowance for also this categories of names I've mentioned. Also, that is $419,300. Match tickets for all these categories, authorities, officials, and all the names I've mentioned. $41,750. Medicals across board, $44,574. Visa fees, $8,541. Internal transportation, $43,092. Incidentals, $42,057. So total is, as I said, 465,350. I repeat, 465,352. 4564352. It's 4564. It's here. 4564352. $4,406,000. So the difference here of $635 million and $464 million will return to government chest. That's the difference of $1,079 will return to government chest. That is the difference.
Isaac Kwame Esiama. And what is auto papa so our budget and one our parliament.
Oh no, figure no danda no so to papa.
Ah, said now we need to papa.
Oh, massa, sika odi ko di biba yo. Is can be asaba or $1.7 million aba. Hey, yo, now what if you Ghana hada? It was so wild.
I'll bet on my nose. Honorable Kobi Woyomi, honestly, Karoko Dibi. Now, also, Wabra, Jumedian Ebery, yet you sa FN and any boncomo, and your business said, and I'm going to any more fair. Minister said, Omram Rasabi, not Omechim, some minority, I fed them to mana.
It is not minority. It is about the public yearning to hear the cost of what is costing the general public, the campaign in Egypt. And so we are simply reflecting the mood and the aspirations of Ghanaians. And that is what is culminated in the report being represented today. We all know or knew efforts in terms of the fact and of course we are aware that the Black Stars fell short of even going beyond the 160. The expectations in the country prior to the embarkment on the campaign in Egypt, and he said even to the point of bringing down the club. And so we are saying to begin to see what
ɛno ɛyɛ owura Kobi Mensa Woyomi ɛna wote sɛ ɔde ne nsɛm ato adwa no nti ɔse na nyɛ sɛ minority nkoa ɛna ne ɛkɔle sɛ youth and sports minister mmarahyɛ badwafie hɔ na ɔmɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ɛnkyɛ Ghanafoɔ na mmom Ghanafoɔ nyinaa ɛna na ayɛ ɔmadwen so mpɛ so ɔmuhu the real figure yɛde ɛkɔ saa tournament no ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm owura no ɛde to dwa ɛno akyi no ɛne yɛbisa ne sɛ so minister ba ɔbaeɛ no budget our present minority any Ghana for we are satisfied with the budget what the EBPM
The figure that was turned out being the budget so much spending. The minister in his report has submitted 9 cost centers. The areas almost spending the entire $4.5 million out of the $6 thereabouts $1 million our budget. If you look at what was presented, these 9 cost centers, and best fine say when you pick number 1, the proportion of the airfare that is allocated to them. Then the proportion of the accommodation that goes to them, the portion of ground transport that goes to them, so that in total we know how much has been spent on item number 1. Then you go to item number 2.
Owura Kobi Woyomi and I say Okasano, or a member of parliament was a ranking member, a youth and sports. Youth, sports and culture, our committee, our parliament. It's Owura Kobi Woyomi. Also, echo Egypt in Egypt.
But name was no Casa because the minister, because we don't commit me on my teaching. Also, proportion of airfare, maybe more airfare, no more lifting per 1,000. Okay. Or more lifting per 2,000. Maybe a bonus. Say, yeah, bonus. Maybe a mutu at 35,000. As well, Musaro, Ottoman Sorico here, was a Ebuzagana.
Owura Alex Ejekum, one of any chairman, Emma Parliamentary Select Committee on Youth and Sports, one also at the name Etuja just after some budget.
Yes, so far, Yeni Bibia Kamo, Yaya Khan say, Yamiya Duma, Yeni Asu Committee, no, Yada Letter Common, say Obeba, na certain details, Doha, or Babachich, more training. And the so far, Yana or the Baye. Or the catchway in a statement form, the whole parliament, and the Obia Noa or Camp, the Bia, the Omo, Air Can is or more need a pint in church with you or yes, we meeting or committee leveler or bit media mayan. Minister no returning a balance of about $1.8 million to government checks. Which means that tournament the answer will come away your budget. When your budget, I will say, the Yakwa could do run of 116. And it may believe in an 6.3 now they call tournament. Now, it's going to cover the entire tournament.
And all Owura Alex Kofi Ejekum and Otese Okasano MP member of parliament Ewon constituency one also Edian one SIA chairman Emma Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports and Otese ordinance atu eganity or say Wama Trekrata at the Ama Youth and Sports Minister say offer details of sub budget and Emre Womo and all Sema and also if you want Eba.
Select Committee on Sports for no
yes, woman demand details.
Abenra so Ghana for nyana coach match and some munrano. Mama Nantirim committee no kwa kakra bi
also the letter. Say na me Debbie America so mudi ho agro you. Mama Yariga, Honorable Mama Yariga 2015. So I 2015 so na dey call AFCON. Kodi esika sa emra no so e ka bi. Wo dey enti ono so nsema ono so e ka e parliament o.
Mr. Speaker, for many of the footballers, it is not a permanent job. It's not a salary job. They don't get paid 12 months in a year for being part of the Black Stars. They only get remunerated when they go to participate in a tournament. It is the only time that they get some form of remuneration. And Mr. Speaker, that's true. Unless they go for a tournament, they are not paid. The Minister for Youth and Sports is here. I was at the ministry. And so the question of how do we remunerate the national team is a matter that should engage us. Are we going to engage a permanent national team?
And no, Honorable Mahama Ayarga, and I'll tell you, Okasan 2015, you call AFCON and a minister out there call ya was our buy all day $25,000 more players, no, yet also two. Say a peja card, they might play beer, and I say Okasano.
Cherokee.
Check us some on one side.
I know I go to Kogoki and so on.
Virgin Port Cosmetics Limited and I no pay me be sound say we dware awie wonya nware di a na sententem so ano we wura cosmetic shop bia na wa pay Virgin Black Alata soap na wo de akodware eno Ghana ye koko papa ewo na aloe vera na face no natural herbs ewo ma ebeboa ama we de no aye kama ebe ye tokotoko na ha fefe soche enti pe bia na efedware abribia na wo body no so enye kama Virgin Fresh Anti-Rash soap eno so make am farmer say nsansan na tai egu ho na mani sa enso obi ono ma pimples agina nim nyina afa me ba cho we de no aye 77 predators aye wesere ho aye 7 yasa abosia gu achi no ye de nsafa ono ma enkoye emotions bia nim feelings bia enim me ba cho pesa aye Virgin Fresh Anti-Rash soap bibi na fedware na we de no entoso na bibia enye kama Virgin Fresh Moringa soap eno so no wo mo de moringa ewo na face no vegetable oil and ewo wo mo ede lime kakra nso ayeden asom enti udware a sabi o nka
play
anketwade enti nka bi e wo ho bia no be ni nyina afiri ho ohun na aboa ama wo so watumi di akoniaba kama na bibia tumi ay kama ama enti Virgin Fresh Moringa soap eno ne na no pay oba bia bema bia obia se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum obetumi adware bi na bibia tumi akoyi ama obenwo mo la pass ni boy town transformer base one ma ana transformer road one ma ena obenwo mo sa so na kumase so obenwo mo okay o one Methodist church no ena edi hwani mo fe hagea e wo 0246 704 180 0246 704 180 now the Virgin Port Cosmetics Limited and Shumum na also enya bikoton nenya mfaso pi efiri so sa so na open krokron so a sa nam besi a me de tu dwai ne nyina mo betumi afre wo
Macon Hotel Odolari says so ya kafa weekend ana ye kafa Macon Hotel e dia ma na hotel no automatic facility rooms or there serve breakfast your hot and cold bath conference hall mienu enso hotel ma program bia no betumi akakoye na waye ni ho ye wo bath after hardware work with Macon Joga of course Macon Restaurant and Catering Service local and continental is papa bi no e was square to be apeti ho car park so and of your standby generator sound so that security no so aye tight and idea e ko kidnap oh enji for no fa no e kokko so ho na udu was a wifi so ye twatum ya no obetimi na idu dwumade bia afa Macon Restaurant and Catering Service and so e was kwa bia Pentecost so that kesi ni sina no so wo to badi so wo wade so wo ye program ye dwuma ko so mu nuane o me nuane kama edi amount no sound so no door to door delivery service and afa office to office delivery service aba fufu de ponchenkaka fufu no bunabunu kwa bia ope bia be na bia di ho ampesi red your jollof rice fried rice your assorted rice assorted jollof rice assorted fried rice and so sound so and we fie kwan papa bi and so continental dishes no ye woni dewa from account say 0244 417446 0244 4144 and says no any Macon omo aso ye enso eno no na make am fo ye beto aso na ye koso like no kosiki akuno ana jo ado former house of folk chairman ana fe was also a former Blasters captain o siki akuno betuma replace coach Kwesi Appiah
perfect the master tactician siki akono
you are the same na ogu hasi ye to so na ye koyenim ye to so na ye koyenim a ru ajoja free so che say ononya de ogidie bia o ensinim no sebi we do use mbese me use but o say enya de no ogidie bia e wo ensinim
ye wo gidie wo mu na no mo ye mpanyefo mu
ya de mre ko de transfer wi mre ko min ka sa no kwantu de ento aso but you see FA Congress no report about August 17th and no e de akosha Azuk Dogbe enso any Fred Roach enso so asha say ye o eye training den na ye ka mo say Kwesi Ada Ebey the late Owusu FA ye friend of Bujay the special tournament no e be ko so de e wo micro school park ya sa tournament e ko so no honorable Bashaka and he said medie no e ba so de nti Kwesi Ada no pa sa game no e be ko so de ya invited guests no Bantuma Men's Club and afi Bantuma Ekumoko mo anomo amadwumedie e ba so de dia All Stars Fit Club mo micro mo Sunday special mo micro and the epem so kwabusi no old player kotoko na 20 Samson na Kennedy former old player kotoko na 20 na free Africa Old Stars and afi Zakaria no so old player Bia United o munyina bi kwasiada nti kwasiada de nyina ye ko Meko Park de ya ka kwhwe honorable Bashaka ne games ode ba so afa Solar Natural Clinic ye ka fo mo so ye de ba Poster Fit capsules also Junso Boko Junso mu ha bia se won tibi nyunso nsa wo Junso moja so Junso toto so Junso 10 so Junso ka wa undu wasum kwa no wase wo mihia unya Poster Fit capsules to make conform and no pay shano so a 3D air how wonu ma 20 ni when typhoid fever so a dudo heba mixture pebi bubo e betimi abo mo asa atie sikin krin sanso so ana aye solar chemist aso twan wakoro to krobo ni mu akote na mu yare misro pebi num e betu ase ma watimi to e ma de no white mo se candidiasis no agima so nyina boso me ma so bo so tadua na ho na fonfon na ensa bi egunu so fita bi firim ba no so e yare unya solar chemist na bi bubo e betu ase kama ama afi watimi akodi wa brafe Zipman capsules o se ber pan o beti den ya pebi num be ma betu abo amotimi gina na so e wompam fe Dr. Solomon 0245 616028 0245 616028 furniture canteen krono omo any shelf filling station no ene di nhwene mo ni no esu no obena bi ato e wo mrum KNG Herba ana fe any herba shop bia no obena bi ato kopa bi to na mo na ese gina na so sam Joaquim Bukim
Eric Opoku Jr. Medase.
Hello, 101.5 FM.